Hello students. At this moment, most of you are worried and stressed about how to prepare well for your board exams in so less days. Students, to score 90% and above in 2 months, watch this video till the end. Students, 90% sounds big, okay? If you start things now, when I say now, means now, it's not too late. Remember, it's never too late. It's just that we keep procrastinating for a very, very long time. Students, second thing that you need to do is, you have to break all your limits. When I say all your limits, I mean it. All your limits means you cannot keep sleeping. You have to wake up. You cannot keep partying. You have to get back. You cannot just keep doing things whatever you feel like, because this is high time when you start breaking your limits in studies. Mind you, in your studies and in your preparations, not in XYZ things. Here is a time for you to break your limits. Students, you must be wondering that what am I saying? Just by starting now or just by breaking your limits, how is it possible that you can score 90% in 2 months? Students, you also have 24 hours and the toppers of your class also have 24 hours. It's just that how they plan their day, okay, and how you plan your day. So the first and foremost thing for you to start with, because the first question you must be having in your mind and you would be writing in the comment section that how do I start? That is already discussed in my previous videos. Actually, in our previous videos, we have already discussed all this. So you will find the links in the description box below. You have also been given the timetable in our channel. So please go through those and you start now. Start breaking your limits and plan your 24 hours as per the criteria that suits you the best. We have also given you the criteria, the best time that suits you to study. So here it's the time for you to plan your 24 hours. There's no much of a difference between the one who tops and you. It's just that what you will be planning and how will you be doing it. So here is the third tip. Moving on to the fourth, students, if you have prepared a vision that you are going to have scored 90% in your boards, trust me, nothing can stop you, because any kind of a thought or any kind of innovation that takes place happens in mind first. So if you have innovated that thing, or you have actually said that thing that you're gonna come up with 90% result, students, even the first car, the first telephone, the first mobile phone, the first airlines that we talk about, they were all first in one's mind, and then it came to existence in reality as a result. So even your mark sheet that you will visualize or you will actually have the vision set will actually determine the result that you will get. For that, you also need to work hard. Final tip is being very consistent. You have to work hard. You have to work hard for this 2 months with complete consistency, without keeping anything else in your mind. Students, it's just a matter of you getting into that consistency, getting into that hard work. Nothing is different for you and for somebody else. You will say, my situation is different in comparison to others. My hardship is more than somebody else. Those things are actually excuses that you give to yourself to defend yourself from not doing what you're actually supposed to be doing. So please forget about all that. Just get this 2 months set for yourself, for your vision, which is 90%, and get it. Make sure you get it. Okay, for any kind of a difficulty, for any kind of problem you are coming across, you can write to us in the comment section below. We will get back to you, and we will definitely get back to your problems. Thank you so much.